How's my hair?
Looks good.
You recording?
All right, 3, 2, 1. Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. V and Mr. B again. We're here to do a second walkthrough for a property that we've been working on for a few weeks now. Actually, been about a week and a half. So let's go ahead and walk through here.
Okay. You get your band in there?
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Yeah.
Always advertise. So guys, remember we walked through this property a little bit ago. We had 5 units to install, and now we're down to that one last condenser left.
City of Burbank here, guys.
City of Burbank. They only let you work certain hours and stuff like that. So we've also been doing a bunch of other projects in between. Same crew has been doing 3 other projects, so it's been taking some time. All right, let's look at this one first. We have a condenser. This is a 4-ton condenser. We got our line set running through the wall.
All insulated.
City of Burbank only needs a 3-foot clearance from the edge of the unit to the property line, and we got plenty of we got plenty of room there. Over here, the unit only needed 12 inches, so we got about 14 right around there, so we're good.
You want to talk about that issue we're having here?
Yeah, let's talk about this one. So let's go over here and talk about this line set. You see the line set penetrating through the wall right there? Comes out through this side. It goes up to the 2nd floor. And then from the 2nd floor, right about there, it goes up into the attic space. Carries over and into the unit. Yep. So over here, Chris is putting our heads together with Chris and trying to figure out how to run the line set for the next unit. Open construction is always the easiest to work in, but some homeowners are picky. They don't want to lose area. They don't want to lose floor space. They don't want to build soffits and all that stuff. All right. So our condenser needs to go here, outside. We have a few options here on how to run our line set. We're going to penetrate through that wall where you see that black circle right there.
Right here.
No, down there.
Oh, we're coming on this side?
And then we need to go
right there's our problem.
Floor attic space.
And here's our problem, guys. See what I'm pointing at over here? We have all this lumber. How do we get across? So where they put our sheetrock up, it still blocks our plumbing. Well, they're probably not going to be able to block our plumbing then.
No, they're not. So what we need to do, we have 2 options. See, we have a double stack 2x4 wall here. You see it's staggered?
We already have holes cut in it. We know we can penetrate that.
Yeah. So this wall right here is also load bearing. And we know that because these these joists go ahead and they break on this wall. Yeah. So we can't cut into the load bearing wall. I mean, we can at certain points, but engineers need to figure that one out.
Right.
We have one option is where we come in from right here, swoop around and follow this exact corner up all the way to the attic space. At that point, the contractor will just need to block this part off, make a little bit of a corner here, and we'll have our line set hidden. But the contractor says he doesn't want to do that. So our next option, we come in from there, swoop around into this bay, stud bay, come up, go through this fire block, go through the header, go through the subfloor, go all the way up through the 2nd header and into the attic space.
Let's go show them that.
Now that takes a lot more work, a lot more finesse, and a lot more time.
And then we risk leaks.
Yeah.
It's a harder area to braze. Our torch set can only get so close.
Yep. It's a fire hazard and everything. So we'll end up from there, up in this corner.
Right here.
Up through there, the double top plate, and over to our unit. Now let's go ahead and see what the other guys are doing here.
You gonna fit through there?
Oh, look at that. Mr. Boudania's crawling through.
Yeah. But this is kind of work.
All right, we got Brian here. Y'all remember Bri?
What up, man?
All right. See, Bri, you're not wearing your hat, your UEI hat.
Oh, well, shit. I'm not using that.
We got Chris.
I'm Comfort Pros.
We got Pablo.
How you doing?
And other Chris is over there.
How you doing?
They're running some flex duct over here. Getting that out of the way. We need to have a service platform set up correctly. They're gonna re-tilt the drain pan and everything and hang that unit, finishing that one up. They've already hung the other few units. There's one that's in this area for this unit, and there's one that was up above us over here. All right. So, return.
Oh, what the fuck? I mean, what the heck?
Yeah, watch your mouth. Ductwork and everything. So this is the unit we got to run the line set for. We want to bring it up to there, up into the attic space, and over there.
So they know what we're dealing with when we talk about that block wall that was down there.
So the block wall that's down there that we cannot penetrate through supports this rotted away balcony for the second floor. I feel kind of scared walking on this thing.
Yeah, that's all right.
You see how this line sets ran for that condenser?
Yeah.
We have to do the same thing next door. You see there's another balcony being held up.
Is there an extra? No, we can.
That's a nitrogen regulator. Yeah. Watch your step. This right here, that's called a stack head or stack riser bar. So we're using this to downshot airflow. As you see here, we got a duct connected to it. There's a squirt around, and then the stack head goes from here and vents downstairs, down on the first floor. We have multiple stack heads here. You see one there. You see one over here. We got one over here. And we got another one on that side. And over here on this next side, that's one floor. That's one apartment. And underneath it, there's a separate apartment. So these are single story. All right. Flex stock and everything there too. All right. Mr. V, you want to talk about anything?
Well, yeah, a lot, but I think we're making this video longer than it needs to be already. So we'll wrap it up here. But guys, we got a lot of videos coming up. We got a lot of technical videos coming up. We are going to work on some brazing videos. We're going to work on some electrical troubleshooting stuff. So keep your eyes peeled. Also, we'll do a Zoom thing pretty soon. Live training.
Yep.
So yeah, keep your eyes peeled, keep your emails open, guys. Mondays, please make sure you guys knock out those key terms on a Monday. Thank you.
All right, guys, that's it for this property. We did another walkthrough. You see our crews over here hard at work, getting everything done. It's pretty easy, 4 units, not that big of a deal. Well, 5 units, sorry. 5 units, not that big of a deal. Pretty simple work. But we have a meticulous customer, and it's taking us a lot more time than we thought it would. But that's the nature of our business. Right. So we will see you next time. We'll do a final walkthrough once everything is complete. Chris, our project lead, is telling us that the project should be done by tomorrow morning. They only have one line set to run and a couple of ducts to attach, and that's it. So we'll see you guys later. We'll upload this. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.